Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the photo layer so you never lose the original. Once done, zoom to 100% and make a precise selection around each iris and then the sclere. Use a small feather, about 1/3 px, so edges blend naturally. You want separate masks for the iris and whites because you will adjust them independently. Make sure to name layers or groups. This prevents confusion during mid-process steps. Now you're ready to refine each selection with a soft brush. You refine tone by applying curves to the iris layer. Lift midtones slightly and increase contrast to reveal texture. Next, add subtle highlights with a low opacity dodge brush or by painting with a soft white at 5–10% opacity. This recreates catch lights. For depth, use a gentle burn on the outer iris edge. Once done, switch to the sclere mask and reduce color cast with a low saturation layer. Be careful to maintain natural blood vessels. These moves make eyes pop without looking fake. You finish by sharpening only the iris. Use a smart sharpen or high pass at low radius, mask to the iris area, then set blend mode to overlay or linear light and reduce opacity until it looks natural. Next, match color and brightness between both eyes using a final curves or color balance adjustment clipped to those layers. Once aligned, group and flatten if needed. If things go wrong, undo and reduce each adjustment by half. Refine masks and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.